Hi everybody, it's Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading, and I'm just doing a quick review here of some of the morning price action we've experienced over the past couple of days. You can see here on Monday, if we're looking at S&P, we've actually spent a lot of time in basically a sideways price channel almost the entire day. You can see it right there. Basically stuck between the highs right around 27.39 and the lows right around 27.26. So it's about a 12-point range we stayed in the entire morning. Not very clear directional moves. Here's the opening range, rather small. Not much activity at lunch and just choppiness into the afternoon. Well, guess what? Here on Tuesday, morning is basically the same thing. Gap higher. Now we have a little bit of price movement back to fill the gap, but then bouncing up and down, to the point where we're only up less than 0.1%. Again, this type of movement is very indicative of expectations of an event. In this case, it's the FOMC minutes release tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern. The markets are just in a wait and see kind of mode. They're a little susceptible to some of the bigger swings, at least the way it looks on the chart. However, the distance it actually moves is not very tall, because we're going from 27.42 today down to 27.33, and that's 9 points. That's even a smaller range than yesterday's 12 points. So we seem to be getting narrower and narrower in our true range for the day. Now the afternoon could be proved differently. However, we could bounce right back into the opening range and just not go anywhere. But that's okay. The reason why I bring it up is you just have to be cautious and understand where your support and resistance levels are. If you are trying to take a trade, maybe it's a better idea to take a directional breakout trade as opposed to trying to catch reversals inside this relatively small range. You may not get a good trade, and in reality, when volume is a little lower, price action is not good, the markets tend to be choppy, it's much more difficult to make a profit intraday trading. So be cautious, be patient. After tomorrow's FOMC, the markets may revitalize a little bit heading into the Memorial Day weekend. Thanks a lot.